hot dog with the chili fries and the cheese on top. We're on the Upper East Side. We're going to visit a lot of historic businesses today. We're going to go inside the oldest continuously operating luncheonette. We're going to go to Dollhouse store, check out a historic bread bakery, and get some hot dogs and papaya drink. What a fun day. Lexington Candy Shop Luncheonette has been in business since 1925. It's the oldest continuously operating luncheonette in all of New York City. We absolutely love it. Its interior is original. In fact, they said they haven't renovated since like the 1940s. So if you went in here in the 1940s and you went back today, it will look exactly the same. They're using their old green, mint green Hamilton Beach mixer to make all their malteds and milkshakes, and they serve breakfast all day long. It's now run by the third generation owner, John Phillips. You're professional. Oh, I love it. We ordered a chocolate milkshake, which is made in their 1940s Hamilton Beach mint green mixer.
Chocolate shake.
There it is. Eggs over easy?
Eggs over easy, there you go. Flip it over, looking beautiful.
Not as easy as you think, right? To flip it like you do. You're the professional.
Don't try this at home. Come to Lexington Candy Shop.
There you go.
And that's it. The famous BLT too.
Okay.
We dry it a little bit. Little lettuce on it. There you go. BLT.
Was that one of your most popular sandwiches, you
Yes.
think? So the crinkles.
Yep.
Take it in.
We also ordered a vanilla egg cream, and contrary to its name, it has neither eggs or cream, but it's made with really cold milk, seltzer water, and their in-house flavored syrup. And no cream in it.
No, half and half. There you go. It's ready to go.
Oh, awesome. You were so fast.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. So I got a classic vanilla egg cream from the Lexington Candy Shop Luncheonette, and it's their most popular flavor. I thought for sure that chocolate was, but it's vanilla, so let's give it a taste. So delicious. Extra good. Orwashers Bakery on East 78th Street near 2nd Avenue is one of the oldest artisanal bread bakeries in New York City. It was founded in 1916 by Hungarian immigrant Abraham Orwasher using his family recipes for baking high-quality rye, black, and grain breads, baking them all in the basement brick oven and delivering them by horse and carriage. In 2007, the Orwasher family sold the business to Keith Cohen, who maintained its mom-and-pop feel with its tiled floor and continued to use the vintage recipes for many staples, including the rye, challah, and sourdough bread. Keith added new items to the menu, including wine breads, bagels, cookies, donuts, and seasonal items, including a sticky bun babka. Today, Orwashers, with its expanded wholesale business, bakes between 9,000 to 10,000 loaves a day. We ordered their community rye bread and had it sliced using their vintage slicer, even though it wasn't recommended to slice this soft rye bread so thin, as it's better suited to be sliced a little thicker. Oh, look at that. We also purchased a made-to-order, hand-filled raspberry jelly donut. So from Orwashers, we got the community rye. They sliced it nice for us. Hold on. More community rye. And this is their Upper East Side favorite. They've been making this bread with this original recipe from 1916, so we had to get that. And then of course, we got a hand-filled jelly donut, which I'll also show you, which Hudson is very interested in. Look at that jelly. Awesome. We also had samples of their delicious raisin challah bread and gave some to Hudson. Would you like to try some raisin challah? What do you think, Hudson? All right, catch. All right. Good boy. Tiny Dollhouse is located right next door to Orwashers Bakery and is New York City's only dedicated dollhouse and miniature shop. It was founded by Leslie Edelman 31 years ago after he combined his successful career in interior design with a passion for miniatures. This miniaturist haven sells decor for every kind of dollhouse or scaled-down set, including manufactured items, which are all displayed on the left side of the shop where kids can interact with them. Sunny side up eggs and bacon. Prices range anywhere from a few dollars for manufactured items to thousands of dollars for handmade artisan miniatures in a wide range of styles. Some of the dollhouses they build and customize have price tags in the triple and quadruple digits. They're made by a specialist miniature contractor who works in the private workshop beneath the store. He even installs wallpaper, flooring, moldings, shingles, and electrifies the custom dollhouses. The handmade artisan miniatures are displayed behind glass for collectors on the right side of the shop. Tiny Dollhouse Shop even sells contemporary furniture for your dollhouse. We notice miniature eames and knoll pieces. We love their seasonal window displays, complete with themed miniatures. Even the dollhouse celebrates Halloween.
We love their logo, with the head of a pineapple holding a hot dog in one hand and a cup in the other.
Papaya King on the corner of 86th Street and 3rd Avenue was founded in 1932 by a Greek immigrant, Konstantin Gospoulas. And he founded it as a tropical drink stand because what happened was he went to Cuba and he fell in love with the papaya drink. It really didn't take off at first, but what he did was he hired some beautiful girls and he dressed them in Hawaiian skirts, and he played Hawaiian music, and he gave away free samples of his papaya drink, and it attracted a lot of attention. He married a young German-American woman from the neighborhood, and she is the one who introduced him to the German food Frankfurters, because he didn't even know what a Frankfurter was, and now that's where the marriage began. Their hot dogs have no MSG, filler, or extenders and binders, or preservatives. They're made only a few miles from the 86th Street shop. The roll the hot dog is served on is toasted lightly to give it a crisp contrast to the frank. Their most popular toppings ordered for their hot dogs are onions and sauerkraut. They make their own relish and only use Dijon mustard. Besides their famous papaya drink, they serve other tropical drink flavors, including coconut champagne, pina colada, and mango.
There's a chili cheese and cauliflower on top. It's very nice. It's what rice coming?
Coming out.
Oh, it's cooking coming up. I'll call you.
Let me watch. So that's the cheese.
Side on top.
Okay.
Chili cheese and cauliflower.
And curly fries. Oh wow. Suggested that I try, which is the chili cheese and curly fries on top of their classic hot dog. So here we're gonna go for it. Amazing, really amazing. So in addition to our hot dog with the chili fries and the cheese on top, we got the classic papaya drink. Had to get the classic papaya drink because that's where it all started. Really, really amazing. No preservatives, it's 100% natural. And the lovely, lovely neon sign that they have here is original. And when you go inside, you can see the plans that were drawn up by the neon sign maker. And I believe it was installed in the 1960s, and we love it. It just lights up the whole corner. What a great day we had today on the Upper East Side. We got a classic vanilla egg cream, got some delicious homemade breads, and ended the day with a hot dog and papaya drink. What could be better? What a great day. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our tour of the Upper East Side. Please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up and share the video if you liked it. We'll be posting new videos weekly.
Bye guys!
Bye guys!